The VASAGLE ULWD041B03V1 is a compact gaming desk that maximizes workspace efficiency with its 19.7-inch by 39.4-inch tabletop, ideal for small spaces. Built with high-quality particleboard and a robust steel frame, this desk ensures durability and can support up to 110 pounds, making it a reliable choice for your home office setup. Its chic industrial style, featuring a sleek black metal frame and a hazelnut brown surface, adds a modern touch to any room, making it as stylish as it is functional. The assembly process is straightforward, with clearly labeled parts and easy-to-follow instructions, allowing you to set up your workspace quickly and with minimal effort. Adjustable feet are a thoughtful addition, compensating for uneven floors and ensuring that your desk remains stable and wobble-free during use. This desk is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing, making it an excellent addition to any home office or gaming setup.